Okay, on the next two, we're going to use the calculator again. We want the fifth and sixth term of the geometric sequence. So remember, this is my starting number and this is my common product. So -2 parentheses 4, and we want the fifth term, so we're going to do 5 minus 1, and we want the sixth term, so -2 parentheses 4 to the 6 minus 1, and then we're just going to type those into the calculator. So -2 parentheses 4 close parentheses caret parentheses 5 minus 1 close parentheses enter. I get -512 for this. And then the next one, -2 parentheses 4 close parentheses caret parentheses 6 minus 1 close parentheses enter, -2048. Piece of cake. So all you got to do is write them out and plug it in. Also remember that this number right here is the a to the 1 term, right? That's going to be our first term since that's an n-1. Okay, right here, this will be the a to the 1. That's our first term. This right here is going to be our common difference, right? Or our slope. Okay, and we want the 8th and 9th term. So we're going to do 24 minus 1 2/10, 8 minus 1, and then 24 minus 1 2/10, 9 minus 1. So don't have to do a 1.2 parentheses, 8 minus 1, close parentheses. I get 15 6/10 for this one. And then 24 minus 1.2 parentheses 9 minus 1 should be a difference of 14.4. Notice that this number decreased by 1.2, which is our slope, isn't it? Okay, then let's do these. Write the series as recursive and as a function. Okay, so I need to do this and get my zero term. Right here, I am what? Adding 7, right? So my m, or my common, let's put common difference. My common difference is 7. My zero term would be -19, wouldn't it? Okay, so my function form is going to use the a to the 1, which is -12 plus 7 parentheses m minus 1, piece of cake. My function form is going to be the zero term and then 7x minus 19. Okay, right here, and basically I forgot to do this, a to the n, right? And I should use an n instead of an x. Sorry about that. Okay, right here, I need to get my zero term, don't I? So I'm going to put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My fifth term was what? 14, then 8, then 2, then -4. And I'm subtracting 6, aren't I? So my common difference is -6, and then I got to go back. So 20, 26, 32, 38, and 34. These are the two I need. So my a to the 1's 38, minus 6, parentheses m minus 1, and in function form I need to put a to the n equals, a to the n equals, and in the function form I'm going to use the -6n, plus 34. Okay, and let's go to the next one. I need to put this and get my zero term, and on these I'm multiplying by 3, aren't I? So this one I have a common ratio equals 3, don't I? And my zero term would be 4. So I need this number and this number. So my recursive is going to use the 12 first, or a to the n equals 12 parentheses, and my common ratio is 3, and my exponent's going to be m minus 1. My function form, a to the n equals, I don't use the first term, I use the zero term, which is 4, parentheses 3 to the n. Piece of cake. Make sure you can do this tomorrow.